everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a really interesting instrument, the ZAMASS 88-key portable folding electronic keyboard digital piano in white. This isn't just any keyboard. It's designed with portability and versatility in mind, making it a great option for a wide range of players, from absolute beginners and students right up to adults, and even professionals who need something easy to transport. One of the first things you notice is its unique folding design. This is an 88-key instrument, giving you the full range of a standard piano, but the fact that it folds makes it incredibly convenient for storage or taking it with you. Weighing in at just 2,500 grams, or about 2.5 kilograms, it's surprisingly light for a full-size keyboard, which really enhances that portability factor. Looking at the build, the description mentions it's made from environmentally friendly and durable materials. It has fine workmanship and smooth edges, which is always good to hear, suggesting it feels solid and comfortable to play, especially for longer practice sessions. Feature-wise, this ZAMASS keyboard is packed. You get the full 88 keys, which is essential for learning and playing a wide variety of music. It comes loaded with 128 different timbres, giving you a huge palette of sounds to experiment with, from classic piano tones to organs, strings, and more. There are also 100 rhythms built in, perfect for practicing timing or just jamming along, and 20 demonstration songs to listen to or learn from. Beyond the sounds, it has all the essential functions you'd expect. Volume adjustment, start and stop controls, easy selection of timbres and rhythms, and demo song playback. You can adjust the speed or tempo, transpose keys, and use features like chord modes, sustain, and vibrato to add expression to your playing. There's even a keyboard drums function. What really sets this keyboard apart are some of its special functions. It features velocity keys, which means the volume and tone of the note change, depending on how hard you press the key, just like on an acoustic piano. This is crucial for developing dynamic playing. It also has a dual keyboard function, allowing you to split the keyboard into two sections, which is fantastic for teaching or playing duets. The full-function knob encoder and LCD display make navigating through all the sounds and settings straightforward. Plus, it includes a standard music stand and even has a connection for a microphone, adding another layer of functionality. The brand, ZAMASS, also offers support, mentioning you can contact them within 24 hours with questions and that they'll provide free parts if the keyboard is severely damaged upon arrival. Overall, this ZAMASS 88-key folding keyboard seems like a compelling option for anyone needing a full-size piano experience in a highly portable and feature-rich package, suitable for learning, practicing, or just having fun at home or on the go.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.